Hey, I ordered the Streetwise Sting Ring. It's a kind of like a stun gun, but only in a ring. You hold it in the palm of your hand. I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to review the product. Should be awesome. So here it is. Boom, just like that. It just showed up. It just showed up. So let's do this. Real time. No video editing. Well, for the most part, anyway. Let's check that out. Amazon bubbles. I love the Amazon bubbles. You gotta have the bubbles. And then the best way to do the bubbles. All right, so here it is. Boom. Let's move that out of the way. Let's move this out of the way. And let's get right to it. Stingray. 18,000. I don't even know. 18 million. Who the hell? What is that? Stun gun. Designed to defend, squeeze, blah, blah, easily concealed, small and lightweight, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we got that. It's a nice box. Kind of basic. Typical overseas packaging. This is made from one piece of thin board, right? See that? And then it's just served over itself. So let's get that out of the way. Let's get that out of the way. Here it is. Holy cow. I wonder how this works. I wonder if it's charged. Boy, that would not be good if it's charged. Okay, that's like live. Okay. So when you get this, make sure you do not do anything with it, because as you can see, it comes fully charged and ready to go. Holy cow. I don't want to be on the end of that. So far it's working. So I didn't go through it, but let's see. So this is the instructions right here. I don't even know what that is. Whatever. I can't even read it, but okay, so that's fine. So it comes with a charger. It's like your basic charger. And it goes right here. And you just plug it in. It seems so simple enough, right? So I'm going to try a little experiment. I'm going to see if this thing has any effect on a fluorescent bulb. Let's see if that has enough power. So I'm going to shut this off for a second, and I'll be right back. And this is your stun ring. I'm thinking just the noise will scare anyone coming near. And don't use this on anyone unless you're in danger, mortal danger. Okay, I am back. And look what I found. This is so awesome. So let's see if we can get this thing to light. And don't touch any metal. Keep your hands far away from this. All right, here we go. We're ready. Ready to go. Let's double check. Okay. I'm going to shut the lights so we can see it a little better. Okay. So let's see that. Okay. Here we go. You ready? That's about the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. So, there it is. Knock your socks off. Get it to defend yourself. Will scare people away. And if you need light. Don't forget, shut it off when done.